Akwan afe enu nti wokọ Okaikoi South abato mpesua so a mrahye badwani ohorem no wode aso akobofo masese wo bie kwan to wonom ama akwan dada ohorem no matumi asiesie bi no masanso mpo eyi dodo no a ede aka ho.
Mrahye a wojinama Okaikoi South onmunyafo Ahmed Arthur wode social perform say wonom enye ekwan kwasini aduasenum 35 kilometers e woni mpesua so na boa ama konabedi ho nsem so akoyi na makronum so aye kama pa emiame wo mpesua ne so wombenya ekwan ho mfaso eye cable ene wireless bubuashi datus dimot ene emiame bebre
ebusiafo ya ye determine say ya be sum constituency ne asum ne yie enkosi hwa yeah, can share other areas so can say me school say what constituency I say through coastal development me ye dual and mono desk back say you can hear that 4,000 pieces sana me ya ma schools na what constituency I say you sign other computers I di go your computer library num I'm a library board for abe take over ade a chair mebunu ade our constituency I say MPP are buying there anytime bebe bia na project ye bia no holistic ya touch one side e ma na nya kwasioko ya project no e ma na touch be bia
enwachi ena mayor woda Accra Metropolitan Assembly ano onmunyamfo Mohammed Ejesowa wono so ebabi ede na hoden betai Mrahye badwani no echi sei eno no so ekaye.
Your road network is terribly bad. Your drains are also bad. But today, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana has directed, based on the request of the Member of Parliament, to reconstruct all the roads in this constituency. Let me conclude by saying that it is not for political reasons. It is for development reasons that Okaikoi South is in the heart of Accra, and you cannot develop Accra and leave out Okaikoi South. It's important we start the development proper from Okaikoi South and spread to the east, north, west, and south of Accra.